I will show you how to make money just like this with print on demand.
Okay guys, if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I make money with print on demand. So some of you ask me, how can I make money with print on demand in 2021 as a beginner? So today I'm going to show you how to find inspiration for your designs, how to design your t-shirt, your mug, your hat or whatever you're designing in just 5 to 10 minutes and how to promote it. And hint, it's not Instagram. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start.
Okay guys, before I show you this method, on the end of this video there is important message, so please watch this video till the end. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. After you choose your niche, you need to design your t-shirt, your mug, your hat, your pillowcase or whatever you want. So let's say I'm in dog niche and I wish to design a dog related t-shirt. Now to find inspiration for my design, I will come here on Pinterest and here in search bar I will type, let's say, dog quotes. And Pinterest will give me whole bunch of dog related quotes. Now why I use quotes? Because quotes are really easy to design and they always sell well. So you actually need to find a good quotes. And what are actually good quotes? Good quotes are the one that actually spark some emotion. The quotes that make you angry, quotes that make you happy, sad, or something like that. So let me just find some quotes, interesting quotes. Okay, this one here, for example. I feel sorry for people who don't have dogs. I hear they have to pick up food they drop on the floor. Now, this is actually funny and also 100% true. I have a dog and literally everything that falls on the floor now belongs to her. So this is 100% true. So let me just click on this image here. I will click on it. And what I need to do is I actually need to save this image. So right click here and save image as. Click save. And that's it. I saved this image on my desktop. Now I will show you a handy trick. Instead of manually typing this quote here, what you can do is you can go on Google and in search bar type image to text and click on first result and you will come to this website here. And let me just scroll here, click select file and let me find the image that I downloaded. This is the image. Give it a second to upload. Click here convert and give it a second to convert this. As you can see, it automatically converted this image into text, as you can see here. So now I actually need to design my t-shirt. To create my t-shirt, I am going to use Canva. Here in upper right corner, I will click on create design. And then I am going to click here on custom size. And I'm going to choose 5000 by 5000 pixels. Okay, let me just close this window here. Okay, background here is by default white, but you can change it. So just click on it and then click here and you can choose any of these colors, but I will stick with the white background. So now I actually need to add my quote. So I will go back here and I will just copy this, go back on Canva and I will click here on text to choose a text style for my t-shirt. And you can choose any of these text styles. Let me just scroll through this. Okay, let me just choose, I will just choose this one here on the top, this one. Give it a second, let me just enlarge this, and I will delete this, delete, I will also delete this, and I will paste my quote here. Let me just make it wider, and even more wider. Click here, and then drag it. Okay. Let's leave it like this, for example. Now you can change the color of this text if you want. Again, just click here and then click here and you can choose any of these colors. If you have a pro version, you can add some shadow outlines and stuff like that, but for t-shirts, you don't really need that. You can stick with the free version of Canva. I also have a pro version of Canva, but I know that many of you are using free version of Canva, and that is why I am currently on a free version of Canva. Also, what you can do is you can add some elements. Just click here on elements. And here in search bar, let's just type dog, for example. And Canva will give you vector images of dogs. As you can see here, some are available only for pro members, but most of these are actually available for free members. So let me just type here paw, for example. Okay, dog paw. And as you can see, Canva gave me dog paws. And I can use any of these paws that are actually free. As you can see here, free. And this is pro. So let me just choose this one here, for example. And as you can see, it added that. I can actually minimize this, and I can change the color of this poem if I want. Just click here and then click here, and I can change the color, but I will stick with the black color here. So now when I finished my design, let's say I have finished this design, this is the end of design, I will click here on download. And I will choose PNG, always choose PNG, click here download, give it a few seconds, as you can see here, and click OK. And that's it. I downloaded this design on my desktop. If you are using Pro version of Canva, you will have option to remove background of your images. But if you are using free version of Canva, you won't have that option. But what you can do is you can go and download and install GIMP. GIMP is basically a free version of Photoshop. So I already did that, and this is how GIMP looks. I will click here on File, and I will click on Open. And I will find the image that I downloaded from Canva, my design that I designed in Canva. So let me just find it. Okay, this is it. Click on it, click Open, and it will open that in GIMP. Okay, this is my design, and now I actually need to remove background. So what I am going to do, I am going to click on this tool. Here it says Select by Color tool. Click on it, and I will click on the background, on white color. And as you can see, white color is selected. So what I need to do next is go here and click on Layer, and then Transparency and Alpha, add Alpha channel. I already did that, so what I need to do next is just press Delete on your keyboard. And that's it. As you can see, it deleted background. So let me just click here on Select and click on None. And this is it. I removed background from my image. It's that simple, just 3 clicks of the mouse and you removed background. Now this is really important. This is how you actually save images and photos in GIMP. Click here on File and then click on Export As. People always click on Save As. No, that is wrong. You actually must click on Export As and choose the desktop. Okay, click Export. Replace, yes, I wish to replace my image. Give it a second. Click Export and give it a second, as you can see here. And that's it. I saved this image with the removed background on my desktop. So now when you have your design ready, now you need to go and upload that design on Teespring, on Redbubble, Zazzle, Printful, Printfy, or wherever you are selling your t-shirt. So now when you upload that design on your print-on-demand website, now you actually need to start promoting that t-shirt. To promote your t-shirts, you can use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on and so on. But today we are going to use TikTok. TikTok is still growing fast, but luckily for us, there is still not that many people who actually use TikTok for paid posts, which means paid posts on TikTok are much cheaper than paid posts on Instagram, for example. So because we are in dog niche, we need to find dog-related TikTok pages. Here in search bar, I will just type dog. Dogs, for example, dogs. And then click here on View all results for dogs. Click, give it a second, and here TikTok will give you all the dog-related TikTok pages. And you can also click here, Load More, and it will load more dog-related pages. So you need to check these pages. So let me just open this one here, for example. I will open it in new tab so I can check it out. And here you can see they have 46,000 followers, 1.1 million likes, and they don't have a link in their bio, which is great for us. So let me just check the engagement. Okay, they don't have quite the best engagement. As you can see, they don't have that many views on their videos. But let's say for this example that this is the page that I wish to use. I'm actually making this video on my laptop, so I don't have the option to contact administrator of this page. Obviously, you will going to do this on your smartphone, and on smartphone you will actually see option here to contact administrators of these pages. You will see these 3 dots and you will have the option to send them a message, to contact them, and just like on Instagram, you will ask them, do they accept paid posts on their TikTok page? If they do, ask them for the price. And on TikTok, you should always ask them to send you infographics, to send you demographics of their page. Also, keep in mind that most of the TikTok users are actually young people. So when you're designing your t-shirt, your mug, your hat or whatever, make it appealing for young people. This is also important. Chances are that your first design won't be that good. So you will actually have to create multiple designs and you will need to test them. And when you find the right design that is selling well, then you can go on these big TikTok pages and you can pay them for 24-hour posts. And if you still are making good sales, you can go on Instagram, you can go on Twitter and find related pages, and you can pay them also to promote your t-shirt. And in that way, you will make even more sales and you will make even more money. As you can see, this print-on-demand method is not complicated. It takes a bit more time, it takes a bit more work, but it actually works. And you can actually make money with this method. And I'm also mostly using TikTok pages to promote my print-on-demand t-shirts and on that way to make money with print-on-demand. So this is how you make money with print-on-demand in 2021 as a beginner. Now, important message. I really wanted to show you how much money I'm making with Teespring, but unfortunately, as you can see here, their analytics is not working for some reason. So unfortunately, I cannot show you how much money I'm making with Teespring. Apparently, I made just 6 sales and I made just $36, $35.95. And when I click here on views, I only had 1 view, which is not correct. I made much more sales and I made much more money than this. So like I said, unfortunately I cannot show you how much money I actually made with Teespring, but I hope they will fix this in next few days and I will then share real data on how much money I made with Teespring. So this is how you do print on demand in 2021.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.